Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing here? It is about almost 7:45 in Chicago. 7:24, guys. It is the 24th of July. After this week, we got 1 week left, and we'll be flipping into a new month here, August. Uh, Kitty's getting ready to go back to school. Um, get them last minute vacations in. You know the story. Spy continues to chop on the weeklies. Pretty much here. Well, we broke, right? Okay. So there we broke down to 735. Couldn't get this magnitude down there, which we were trying to chase down to 731. We did not get there. All right. So a little bit of a relief this morning now, 739. We're going to be inside day handily. All right. So nothing changing really here on the bigger picture right now. Quarter still intact, down and shooter down. Okay. So we'll see with that. We had that Intel earnings went out yesterday. They went to the moon, Alice, and then they pulled it back in, and now she's trading at 103.19. Got up to 113. All right. Great numbers. They beat on both, and they're back down. All right. Micron's a little lower. SanDisk is a little lower. The bigger names are a little lower. Taiwan Semi is a little better, and AMD is a little better. Really mixed bag. A continuation of the chop with tech. Okay. What's different today? Crude's lower. All right. So we're down 3% now on crude. So this is good. We want to get rid of that inflation. All right. So bringing it back in on the crude today, but the drillers are a little bit better. All right. You look at Schlumberger here moving up this morning. All right. SLB. I'll get back to the futures at the end there. Schlumberger moving up nicely here. Had a 3-day, big red 3-day, 49.70 trading $1 higher right now. All right. Schlumberger, a little bit better there. OIH never shows you anything on the overnight. Just gives you these little marks. So we don't really know it's quoting 383, 387. So I don't even trust that. All right. OIH. Okay, and then we look at Halliburton because energy's been our leader, and diamonds have been not great. All right, so Halliburton a little bit taking day up here on this one. All right, 33.79. Yeah, oh yeah, baby. 32.96. Is that right? All right, still inside day. All right, HP. There's another one you can watch there. A little better there on that one. And you can watch Precision Drilling PDS as well. All right, Outsider on PDS. This one's moving up a little better here, 85.76. You're still inside day. All right, so Driller's a little bit better. XLE a little lower here this morning, falling back down. All right, from 59.16. We got that went up to 60.35 yesterday, and they kind of puked it all out for the most part for the whole day there. All right, so XLE a little bit lower, but not taking day down. I don't believe 59.25. Oh yeah, we are. All right, so XLE taking 2 down on the day on energy. All right. XLV. The healthcares are just heating up. We got full time frame continuity, guys, on XLV. Coming back a little bit here. Been chopping around. It chops around all the time. These ETFs, they don't trade well overnight. All right. Little two day up here, man. Looking to take another day up here. Let's get the continuation going here. Merck has already been moving. All right, Merck's already moving. You're a 3-day upper already here. Looking to take the 3-2 up on the weekly. Anybody? 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 Merck, butter. Bristol Myers looks good. We're really zeroing in on these weeks. I'll tell you that. Bristol Myers a little better there. Just zeroing in on the week. Keep an eye on those. CVS took the week, went hiding. Come back up yesterday. Where's she trading right now? 107.06. Good. Take a day up. We'll see if it does. I don't know if it's quite there. Taking that day up, I might be jumping the gun on that one. Pfizer, PFE Pfizer, coming back up here from the overnights right now, 24.68. That's up a dime higher right now from where we closed. We'll see about that one. All right, Pfizer. And Gilead's on the move here, GILD this morning. All right, GILD moving nicely here, 131.89 now. All right, this thing looks to take a nice day up potentially here. All right, GILD, better. Keep an eye on the industrials. You know, we had everything that was moving on wheels yesterday, and now everything's kind of changing a little bit here. We know that CAT was moving there the other day here, right, and kind of started surrenders. You know, there was some selling coming into it. So we were finding some exhaustion risk on some of these. Eaton. All right. Eaton 3-2 up, looking for more here at this point. All right. 417. Not quite there. Inside day. How about our Emerson? So utility, you know. So the Utes were a little bit better yesterday. Emerson had a great day yesterday. Give me that 3-2 up. That looks good. All right. Got the month up. You got the full time frame continuity. And there's not too many groups that have that. I'm sorry. I'm talking about healthcare on that one. But going back to XLI, we don't have that. All right. We still got the red on the month and we still got red on the quarter. All right. So, but we're hammering. So we'll see if anything happens there. XLC has just been pounded on here. Another gapper down yesterday. Roblox kind of fell apart. And that's good because we got to regroup and try to go get after this thing anyway. So 2-2 back down here with the 2 week down now kind of blew everything up here. It was so hot. It was looking like it was going to make the move. And then it just toodaloo break, and you see it. All right. We were just talking about Apple too over here. And Apple, you know, when it fell apart a couple days ago, I wasn't there. Here, the 22nd, I think it was. No, it was the 22nd. Now, what was the day that hit this one? This was the day when they made it. It got up to the highs at 329, and then it chopped, and then tried to rally it up in the overnights. And then this one came in with a 312 downer, back down to the lows. All right. So now Apple, this is where you're going to be. This was yesterday, and here we're coming in today. We'll see what it's. I think it's in chop mode now because it got chopped here. All right, Amazon. I think Amazon is firming up. I like that gap down yesterday. I'm going to see how she acts today. She's still inside right now. 234.13. We're got to get through 238 to get there. Watch that one. I think you still got to wait 3 days on that one. All right, Oracle is getting up off the floor. It's drunk. The thing has been drunk for 6 months. 3 months. How about 3 quarters? 4 quarters. Drunk. 3-2 down on the month. All right. Trying to get up off the ground here. Can't even take the day up. All right. But it's up 2% this morning on some news. I didn't catch it. But Oracle is dead. For sure. All right. Let's take a look at some of the other groups here. XLP, they're taking their time. Okay. Shooter down yesterday was stuck in the middle with you. That's nothing. That doesn't tell us anything. What does tell us is that we're at the low of the month and we're at the low of the quarter. All right. So we'll see. I think I think they get back. So I'm looking at them down here. I like them down here because I'm nibbling on them down here. All right. I still think that group will get better before, but I'm down the road here. I'm down the road on that trade, and I said that from the beginning. All right. So we'll see. So this morning we got XLI and XLV, healthcare better. DLR is doing a nice move here this morning. I'll tell you, real estate just doesn't stop, man. It's been really strong. Here we are, 185.75 on Dow. This is Digital Realty Trust. Look at this thing, got up to 187 and then puked it all down on their overnights. That group is solid. Let's go to the futures and wrap this thing up. Diamonds on the 60. Where are we at right here? 15s don't tell us much here on overnights. They never do. All right. So shooter down on the day yesterday, and we're at 517, guys. So we're inside day, start the day, and I think this is the way we are across the board on SPY as well. Let me see. SPY. You're down to 739 now, breaking that up, but seven closed at 70.38.18, so we're higher than that right now. All right, and we've been much higher. We got up to 741. All right, but to get out of jail, you're going to have to get through 742.65. All right, so we're still about $3 from going there, and then the QQQ market, the Nasdaq's pretty quiet here. Down by 40, $50. SPY's quiet. Everything's quiet. Crude's lower. All right, we got that going for us. All right, maybe the China stocks will start to move back up. But triple Qs, here you go, man. The big story is that Intel comes out. It beats on both. It runs the 113, and it's trading at 102.79. That's telling you the whole picture about triple Qs right there, right now. Taiwan Semi and AMD are a little bit better. Everything else, SanDisk is trying to move, Micron's trying to move. They're gonna keep trying. They're gonna keep pushing. They're gonna keep pushing. All right. So far, every push has been a failure. All right, that's it. I'll catch up at noon. Be good.